Hello everybody, this is Jyothi. Presently I am from Bangalore. Welcome to India's online cooking contest season 2, powered by Febina Group. Thank you so much to the Febina Group giving a wonderful opportunity to proving our creative talent. Once again, thank you so much for this wonderful platform. And guys, I just wanted to show you something before we start cooking. From the Febina Group, I have received a kit. From the kit, I have received my apron and this confirmation token to participate. And you can see all those things also like soya sticks, salty peanut, etc, like many. Thank you so much to the Febina Group. Okay, let's start now. Today I'm gonna prepare a super dish of barbecue style peri peri chicken with a combination of wine sauce. So let's see now what all ingredients we require to prepare a peri peri chicken. Okay, let's see what all ingredients we require now. I have taken a 250 gram of chicken, olive oil, salt to taste, cooking oil, garlic around 15 to 20 pieces, 5 red chilli given a rough cut, a fresh chilli, 1 cup of tomato, 3 bay leaf, required quantity of black pepper. We'll make a spice mix to marinate the chicken. I'm adding a garlic, red chilli and bay leaf, black pepper, 1 cup of tomato, I'm adding a olive oil to this. Finally, we'll make a paste. And now I'm gonna add a salt to taste. Add a required quantity of salt. And now spice mix is ready. We'll marinate the chicken. Take a bowl. Add a chicken into the bowl. Add a spice mix. Mix the spice mix well. Let this stick to chicken well. Ready. Okay, it's ready. Now you can see this is charcoal. I have taken a charcoal around 2 to 3 pieces. Now I'll burn the charcoal. After burning the charcoal, I'll place the bowl in the middle of the chicken. So let's burn the charcoal. Now I have burned the charcoal around 5 to 10 minutes. Now I'll place the charcoal bowl in the middle of chicken. Next, I'm using a 1 spoon of cooking oil to increase the smoke. Next, finally close the lid. Let the smoke for 15 minutes. Okay guys, in this 15 minutes before the chicken get ready, we'll make a wine sauce. Let's see what all ingredients we require now. I have taken a 1 glass of red wine, black pepper powder, salt, sugar. So let's start now. Heat the flame. Add a glass of wine. So let this boil for 2 minutes. And now we'll add ingredients. I'm using a black pepper powder around 2 spoons, a pinch of salt, and next